everyone, it's me, and yes, it's my face this time, not just my hands. It feels a bit strange but lovely to be in front of the camera again. So today I've got something really exciting to share. I was one of the lucky winners of Lisa's giveaway. You might know her as Crafting Diva here on YouTube. It was her 900 subscribers giveaway, though she's actually gone past that now and is well on her way to 1,000. I think she has 940 at the moment, which is amazing. Well done, Lisa. Congratulations. So let's get into it. I'll switch the camera down so you can see my hands again, because they'll be doing the fun bit, opening this beautiful package from Lisa. Right, so here we go. I've got this rather large box on my desk. Inside is the parcel itself. I have opened the box. There's a bit of bubble wrap, but Lisa has packaged this so beautifully, and right on the top is this lovely little card from Lisa, which I have already had a quick look at, but of course I'll show you properly in a moment so you can see it too. Right, we're back. I've taken everything out of the box so you can see it all a bit more clearly now. First of all, I want to share this gorgeous little rosette wand. I'm never quite sure what to call these, but that's what I always think of them as. It's made for this beautiful autumnal paper that has been concertina folded, and then we've got this cute image of a deer in the middle and the word fall, along with this beautiful cluster of a toadstool, acorn and an autumn leaf to one side, and it's finished off with this lovely pom-pom trim. I'm actually thinking I might tuck this into my seasonal grid board. So you know the ones with the little wire squares and you can just tuck stuff in or peg stuff on? I've got one of those. I'm going to change that up through the year, and I think this will look absolutely lovely during autumn. So that will be going up for November while we're still in the season. Then we've got this adorable little card. It's almost ATC size with this cute little pumpkin latte cup on the front, like a cosy takeaway hot chocolate with whipped cream. It's even got some frosting on it. It's beautiful. It says happy pumpkin spice season, which made me smile. I'll also be adding that to my seasonal grid board, and I'll try and take a picture if I remember. The card says, to Tracy, huge congrats on winning my 900 subby giveaway. Hope you like your prizes and look forward to seeing what you make with them. Thank you for supporting my channel. Best wishes and crafty hugs from Lisa, Crafting Diva. So this is the beautiful parcel that was inside. It was all wrapped up in the lovely cellophane, as you saw, and tied up with this gorgeous satin ribbon. It's sort of a creamy, milky coffee colour. It's so pretty. I'll definitely be reusing that. Inside we've got this wonderful four-sided basket with little pouches all around the side. It's incredibly well made and is absolutely stunning. Around each of the side pockets there are little sentiments. So we've got make life pretty, enjoy the little things, collect moments not things, and listen to your heart, which is probably my favourite if you remember the pop song. There are lots of goodies tucked inside the main compartment, as well as in those side pouches, so it's full of surprises. First off, there was a little bundle right at the bottom, just underneath the basket. So we have these silver and gold glitter card stock, which might possibly be the glitteriest card stock I've ever seen. It's really shiny and picks up the light beautifully. And then we've got this Forget Me Not paper pad by Dubcraft, which looks really summery. I've opened up the Forget Me Not paper pad just so you can see the papers a little better. They are beautiful designs and I really love the pastel colours. I've already got a few favourites and I've already got some ideas in my head of what I might do with them. I really like this seed packet one and the Wellingtons, and we've also got some teacups up here as well. And that is a really beautiful paper pad. Now moving on to the beautiful box with the pouches around the side, I'm going to start by emptying the main compartment of all its goodies. First up we have some craft card tags, which will actually come in really handy. I love using craft cards on Christmas presents, so I usually stamp them up, give them sort of rustic vintage look, pair them with brown paper and some pretty tape or ribbon. And speaking of ribbon, we have a lovely selection here. We've got cupcakes and birds. I think my favourites are this spotty one here and the checked pattern. They are beautiful, lovely colours. And then we have some deco circle stickers in my favourite colour, purple. These would make a nice finishing touch on the back of an envelope where you just seal it up. And an embossing folder. And Lisa has included a sample in my favourite colour so we can see the pattern. I like the fact that this has got a frame because it means that I could add a picture or a image, stamped image, or a sentiment. So that's a really nice embossing folder. And then we have these beautiful aqua diamantes. They're so pretty. And Lisa's even made her own topper for the packaging. I remember when I did the swap with her, she made all these stunning toppers for each of the packets and they were just gorgeous. Then some more diamantes in black and silver and clear. Next is some stationery. I do love a bit of stationery. We've got this shooting star rubber and nice rose gold pen with the daisy, and then I think this is probably a mechanical pencil. Another beautiful topper, and our last little parcel in the middle is an organza bag with glitter glues in, tied with this beautiful mint green ribbon, which I would definitely use. And these, the blue and green, are really striking. I love those. Now moving on to the side pouches. First up is the one that says enjoy the little things. Let's see what little things we have inside. There is some pink and white twine, a big bundle of lace, and there's a little bag with surprises in as well, and it says lovely. We have some flowers. They're going to work lovely with that paper pad from earlier as well. These are really pastel colour tones. And they work beautifully with the lace and the twine as well. Next is the pouch that says collect moments, not things. Let's see what goodies are in this one. We have some pastel thank you toppers, pack of 12. And these are like a chipboard. And they are going to work beautifully with that paper pad from earlier. Gosh, there's quite a bit put into this one. We have got teeny tiny buttons. I'm a bit of a button fan. I really do love them. I have a box, a huge box of buttons, and I have to stop myself from buying any more. These are a lovely Christmassy green. I like that. And another one of those fabulous handmade toppers. Hey, my favourite colour. Purple teeny tiny buttons with another handmade topper. It's like the TARDIS in here. And some white ones. Now how special do those look with those handmade toppers? That's such a really nice touch. It's beautiful. I can't wait to use these. So these are making me think of like lavender. And the whole collection is like summery, but then the white ones could be snow. I do love buttons. Next is the pocket that says make life pretty. We have some washi tape. Okay, I'm going to empty this one so you can see it all properly. We have some butterfly washi tape and some birds, which coordinate beautifully with the ribbons from earlier. We have some gingham, which makes me think of picnics. And this one, which just looks so, it's lacy, but it's got that sort of vintage look to it. I like that. That's really pretty. The final pouch is the one that says listen to your heart. If you're singing that song while watching this video, please let me know. I love that song. Oh, I see more handmade toppers for packets. There are 3 packets with beautiful handmade toppers on them. One of them has some paper clips with the mint green and aqua vintage style roses on them. I love those. And then we have some die cut ladybirds. I think I'll have to use one of these on a project for my niece. She would love that. She loves bugs, creepy crawlies, animals. And some dark blue teeny tiny buttons with the beautiful bee paper handmade topper. And then finally we have some bulb shaped safety pins. I had some of these and I don't have any left. I've been hoarding the last 2 because I like them so much. They're very vintage and charming. I love putting them on projects. That's everything from Lisa's amazing giveaway. I'm absolutely thrilled with all these beautiful goodies and with all the care and attention that went into coordinating them and wrapping them so beautifully. Thank you so much, Lisa. I love it all. If you don't already know Lisa's channel, she's Crafting Diva here on YouTube. I'll leave a link below to her channel. She makes the most amazing and gorgeous crafts and tutorials. I'm really excited to start using these goodies on my future projects and to add that rosette and card to my seasonal grid board. Here's a little peek at all the amazing goodies from Lisa. I love seeing everything like this. The rosette one is stunning and I love everything from those teeny tiny buttons to the beautiful paper pads. Thank you so much, Lisa. Thank you everyone for watching. Please do pop over to Lisa's channel. Please like and comment on this video, and until next time, cheerio.